Hello, dear INI-CET aspirants. I hope you guys have done well, and this is the time to relax down, have a cup of coffee, and analyze कि आप लोगों का INI-CET का पेपर इस साल का कैसा था. So, looking at the May session of INI-CET compared to the November session, this time it was a moderately difficult paper, definitely tougher than the previous session. अगर इस साल देखें, the PYQs and PYTs were heavy. More than 60% were PYTs, but again, जो ऑप्शंस दिए हैं इस बार they were confusing. It was difficult to rule out among the options, and that makes INI-CET apart from other examinations as well. Now your attempt should have been higher. More than at least 180 to 185 should have been attempted to get a good chance to score well. And we are predicting that if you have got more than 140 corrects, you definitely stand out a chance in getting a good rank in this time INI-CET. Surgery was heavy this time. सर्जरी में इस बार बहुत सारे डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चंस थे, आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स नए अपडेट्स भी ऐड ऑन हुए हैं, ट्रीटमेंट प्रोटोकॉल्स भी पूछी गई हैं. ऑफ्थैल एज यूजुअल पिछली बार की तरह इस साल भी इट वाज ट्रिकी एंड डिफिकल्ट टू आंसर. सम पीपल फाउंड माइक्रो एंड कम्युनिटी मेडिसिन इवन टफर. स्टैट्स बेस्ड क्वेश्चन ज्यादा थे, एंड दिस टाइम देयर वाज मोर ऑफ ऑर्थोपेडिक्स ऑल्सो. Now, this was a refresher to see that the image-based questions have gone down and the one-liners जो नीट पीजी में ज्यादा आते हैं that have gone up in INI-CET जो ज्यादातर नहीं पूछे जाते. So yes, there were one-liners. नए ड्रग्स की अपडेट्स पूछी गई हैं. They have asked direct questions कि इसका ऑर्गेनिज्म कौन सा है, what is the sign seen over here. But yes, they, at the same time they were tricky. Now, if you see what makes INI-CET stand out is foundations and depth. यही चीज जरूरी होती है. इस बार का पेपर जिसके पास डेप्थ है, जिसके पास भी अच्छे फाउंडेशंस है, डेफिनेटली दैट पर्सन विल डू वेरी वेल इन दिस पेपर. सो ऑल इन ऑल आई वुड से दैट इफ यू हैव गॉट अ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ रिविजन्स all throughout the year, this paper definitely can be cracked down. Wishing you all the very best. Definitely we'll see you on the other side very soon. Godspeed.